Hey, it's Dan the Boiler Man here to introduce the MagStrainer H1. This unit is used to clean up boiler and chiller systems. So how does it work? It uses 3 different processes. Unlike other magnetic products on the market today, MagStrainer has incorporated 3 different technologies into one. First being, it uses rare earth magnet rods to pull out magnetic sludge from the system. Second, it uses stainless steel mesh strainer to remove large particles. And thirdly, it has the ability to be fitted with a reusable quick change bag filter ranging from 0.5 microns to 200 microns for your specific needs. Now, if I wanted to quickly add chemicals to my system, I could simply open the lid and pour them in. It's that easy. The H1 is rated for 150 psi and comes in ranges from 2 to 30 inch. It also has an automatic air vent to remove all unwanted air from the system. The H1 also can be installed on a bypass loop or in the main line of the system with minimal pressure drop. The H1 Ultra model has all the same features as the H1 model, but is rated at 300 psi and has high temperature applications. For more information, go to magstrainer.com, and thanks for tuning in.